In today's class, we will discuss about some basic concepts for need to understanding the chemistry subject. Okay, that means here molecules are formed by the combination takes place between atoms. So molecules form కావాలి అంటే atoms అనేటివి ఒకదానితో ఒకటి కంబైన్ కావాలి. సో atoms కంబైన్ అయ్యేటప్పుడు కూడా valence electrons present in the atom, they are overlapping, they undergoes overlapping, and leads to the formation of bond between any two molecules or any two atoms among the atoms, that leads to the formation of molecules. So that is depends upon the valency. So valency, already you see valency in classification of elements. Okay, once again I repeat the concept of valency, that is the most important for formation of the molecule through the chemical bond. Okay, right. So now you see the valency, that is the repeated one. So valency means that is the most important thing in our chemistry. Valency means the combining capacity of an element. Valency nothing but combining capacity of an element. That is the valency. So valency is equal to, another definition is number of hydrogen atoms or number of chlorine atoms or 2 into number of oxygen atoms present in a given molecule. So that is the valency. So valency means what is here? Combining capacity of an element, that is called valency. Or valency is equal to number of hydrogen atoms or number of chlorine atoms or 2 into number of oxygen atoms. That is the definition of the valency. So let us say here, you take some examples. Sodium hydride, NaH, sodium hydride. So in sodium hydride, there is only one hydrogen. So valency is equal to what is here? Number of hydrogen atoms. అంటే గివెన్ మాలిక్యూల్లో ఎన్ని హైడ్రోజన్స్ ఉంటే అది దాని వేలెన్సీ అవుతుంది. ఇన్ సోడియం హైడ్రైడ్ దెర్ ఈస్ ఓన్లీ వన్ హైడ్రోజన్. సో వేలెన్సీ ఆఫ్ సోడియం ఈజ్ 1. Why? Because here only one hydrogen is present. Next one, magnesium hydride. So in magnesium hydride, there are 2 hydrogens. Here 1 hydrogen, so valence is equal to 1. Here 2 hydrogens are present, so valence is equal to 2. Next, aluminum hydride. So here 3 hydrogens are present, so valency is 3. And next, methane, CH4. Here 4 hydrogens are present, so valency 4. So the total meaning of this concept here, how many number of hydrogen atoms are present, that will decide the valence of this element. Okay, so here only one hydrogen is present, so valency of sodium is 1. Here 2 hydrogens are present, so magnesium valence is 2. 3 hydrogens are present, aluminum valence is 3. So 4 hydrogens are present, carbon valence is 4. That is the combining capacity of this element. So these are, that means all these molecules having hydrogen. So sodium, magnesium, aluminum, carbon. These are all elements with reaction with hydrogen. So this type of compounds or molecules are called hydrides. Okay, hydrides. So next one, you take NaCl, and MgCl2 and AlCl3, aluminum chloride. Next, CCl4. So you are observing all these molecules here. In NaCl, what is the valency here? Valency is equal to number of hydrogen atoms. ఒక మాలిక్యూల్లో ఉండే ఎన్ని హైడ్రోజన్స్ ఉంటాయో అదే దాని వేలెన్స్ ఈక్వల్ అవుతుందమ్మా. సో ఇక్కడ ఒక హైడ్రోజన్ ఉంది, సో సోడియం వేలెన్స్ ఈజ్ 1, 2 హైడ్రోజన్స్ ఉన్నాయి, మెగ్నీషియం వేలెన్స్ ఈజ్ 2, 3 హైడ్రోజన్స్ ఉన్నాయి, అల్యూమినియం వేలెన్స్ ఈజ్ 3, 4 ఉన్నప్పుడు కార్బన్ వేలెన్స్ ఈజ్ 4. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ కమింగ్ టు ది యాజ్ ఫర్ క్లోరిన్, valency is equal to number of chlorine atoms. So in NaCl there is only one chlorine. So that is valency also 1. Here in MgCl2 there are two chlorines. So magnesium valency 2. AlCl3. So here 3 chlorines are present. So valency of aluminum 3. 4 chlorines are present, so valency is 4. So in this case also, how many number of chlorines are present here, that will decide the valency of this line. Okay, in NaCl there is only one chlorine, so valency of sodium is 1. Here 2 chlorines, magnesium valency is 2. Here 3 chlorines, aluminum valency is 3. Here 4 chlorines, carbon valency is 4. So here sodium, magnesium, aluminum, carbon. These 4 elements combines with chlorine. So these called chlorides. Okay. These species, that means these are called hydrides, these are called chlorides. Sodium hydride, magnesium hydride, aluminum hydride, that is methane. So here sodium chloride, magnesium chloride, aluminum chloride, here carbon tetrachloride. Next, coming to the valency is equal to 2 into number of oxygen atoms. Valency is equal to 2 into number of oxygen atoms. So here that is Na2O. So in the sodium oxide, this is called sodium oxide. In the sodium oxide, there is only one oxygen is present. So 2 into number of oxygen atoms. How many oxygens are present here? Only 1. That means 2 into 1, that is equal to 2. మరి ఇక్కడ 2 రాయొచ్చా? రాయకూడదు. దట్ ఈజ్ రాంగ్. ఎందుకు రాంగ్ అవుతున్నది? ఇక్కడ 2 ఎందుకు రాయకూడదు అంటే ఈ 2ని 2 సోడియంస్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఈ 2 సోడియంస్ షేర్ చేసుకోవాలి. షేర్ చేసుకుంటే 2/2 ఎంత వస్తుంది? ఇప్పుడు 1. సో valency of sodium is 1. Okay. Next, magnesium oxide. So there is only one oxygen is present. Then 2 into 1, that means 2. మరి ఇక్కడ 2 వస్తేనేమో 1 రాసాము, ఇక్కడ 2 వస్తే 2ని ఎందుకు రాసామంటే ఇక్కడ 2 వచ్చినప్పుడు ఈ 2ని 2 సోడియంస్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి ఆ 2 సోడియం షేర్ చేసుకుంటే ఈచ్ సోడియం హ్యావింగ్ 1, valency is 1. Okay. Next, coming to the magnesium oxide. So in magnesium oxide, this valency is 2. It is shared by the only one magnesium. That means 2/1. So that is 2. Next, Al2O3, aluminum oxide, alumina, Al2O3. Here 3 oxygens are present. That means 2 into 3, 6. మరి ఇక్కడ 6 రాయొచ్చా? No. Okay. No need to write here. Why? Because these 6 valency is shared by 2 aluminum atoms. That means 6/2. So that is 3. Okay, right. So next, CO2, carbon dioxide. So here two oxygens are present, 2 into 2, that means 4. These valency 4 is shared by only one carbon. That means 4 by 1, 4. That is the valence. So in this case, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, carbon. All elements here react with oxygen. So these called oxides. Oxides. Okay. Hydride, chloride, oxide. That is the valence. Right. So combining capacity of an element or valency is equal to number of hydrogen atoms or number of chlorine atoms or 2 into number of oxygen atoms. Okay. ఈ ఒకసారి నోట్ చేసుకోండి అమ్మా, చాలా మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఈ బేసిక్ ఫండమెంటల్స్ ఇవి. ఓకే, నోట్ చేసి పెట్టుకోండి. Okay, next. Okay, next one, variable valence. Variable valence. Right. Variable valency means elements are exhibit more than one valency. Elements are exhibit more than one valency called variable valency. Okay, right. So any same element which exhibit more than one valency, for example, that exhibit two valency, that then lower valency it is suffixed by the as sound. Higher valency is indicated by ik, as and ik. So let us say one example here. You say some examples. FeCl2 and FeCl3. So you take FeCl2. What is the valency of FeCl2 here? Here two chlorines are present. Two chlorines. One valency is equal to what I am saying now. Valency is equal to here number of chlorine atoms or number of hydrogen atoms, or 2 into number of oxygen atoms. That means double the number of oxygen atoms. So in this molecule, chlorines are given. So in FeCl2, there are two chlorines are present. Two chlorines are present. So the valency is 2. The valency is 2. Okay. Next. In FeCl3, here 3 chlorines are present. So valency is 3. So this is ferrous, as 2, 3. In between 2, 3, this is lower valency, this is higher valency. This is lower valency, this is higher valency. So that is ferrous chloride, like this. So what is the name of molecule here? Ferrous chloride. Okay. This is ferric chloride. This is ik, ferrous ferric. FeCl2, that is ferrous chloride. So that is lower valency. This is higher valency. Okay. Next, come to you take another example. Here, CuCl and CuCl2. Okay, CuCl. In CuCl, there are one chlorine. One chlorine is present here. So valency is 1. In CuCl2, here 2 chlorines are present. So valency is 2. Right. So in between 1, 2, this is lower valency, this is higher valency. So here you need here as, here ik. So cuprous, this is called cuprous chloride. So this one is cupric chloride. Cuprous chloride, cupric chloride. Okay, right. You take another example. SnCl2 and SnCl4. So in SnCl2, here 2 chlorines are present. So valency of tin is 2, and in SnCl4, 4 chlorines are present. So here valency is 4. So this one is lower valency, this one is higher valency. So this is called stannous chloride. Stannous chloride. This is stannic chloride. Okay, that is the variable valency. Elements are exhibit more than one valency. So here iron exhibit 2 valency. One is 2, another is 3. This is lower valency. So here first sound is indicated, ferrous chloride. Here 3 is higher valency, that is ferric, as ferric chloride. Next see you here, this is cuprous chloride. This is cupric chloride. Cuprous, cupric. Stannous, stannic chloride. So that is the variable valency. Okay, note this. Okay, next. Okay, that is variable valency. Okay, next one. Valency of metals. Valency of metals. Right. So here, number of valence electrons present in a metal atom. Okay, it is its valency. That means here is its valency. Number of, that means in metals, in metals, in metals, valency is equal to number of valence electrons. Number of valence electrons. That is the method. So in case of metals, valence is equal to number of valence electrons. For example, you take sodium. Sodium metal. So next, you can write here electronic configuration of sodium, that is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. So this is valence cell. Okay, these two are inner cell. How many electrons in valence cell? There is only one electron. Only one electron. So valency of sodium is 1. Valency of sodium what is here? 1. So next let us magnesium. So magnesium 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. This is the valence cell in magnesium. There are 2 electrons are present. So valency of magnesium is 2. Next come to the aluminum. 13. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p1. That is the valence cell. So in the valence cell, totally 3 electrons are present. So in case of metal, valence is equal to number of valence electrons. Number of valence electrons. So here, valency of sodium is equal to 1 and valency of magnesium is equal to 2. Valency of magnesium is equal to, and valency of aluminum is equal to 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, why? Because in case of sodium, here there is only one valence electron, so valency of sodium is 1. In magnesium, 2 valence electrons are present, so valency of magnesium is 2. In aluminum, 3 valence electrons are present, so valency of aluminum is 3. That means valency is equal to number of valence electrons. Right. Note చేసుకున్నవి. Okay, this is the valency of metals. Next, valency of non-metals. Valency of metal is equal to number of valence electrons present in the metal. Okay, that is the valency. Next, coming to the valency of non-metals. Valency of non-metal. So in case of non-metals, valency is equal to 8 minus 8 minus number of valence electrons. Number of valence electrons. That is the valency. So in case of non-metals, valency is equal to 8 minus number of valence electrons. So let us say take non-metal carbon. Atomic number 6. So here 1s2, 2s2 and 2p2. 2p2. So here this is the valence cell. This is the valence cell. There are 4 electrons are present. That means number of valence electrons in carbon is 4. So what is the valency here? Valency means 8 minus 4, that is equal to 4. Carbon valency is 4. Okay. You take next, that means nitrogen. It is also non-metal. 1s2, 2s2 and 2p3. So this is valence cell. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 electrons present in the valence cell. 5 electrons present in the valence cell. So 8 minus 5, that is 3. So nitrogen valency is 3. Okay, right. So oxygen 8. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. There are 6 electrons are present. So that means 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. So valency of oxygen is 2. That means these are belongs to the, that means this is 4th group, this is 5th group, this is 6th group. Next you take fluorine 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. This is valence cell. In this valence cell, there are 7 electrons are present. So 8 minus 7, that is equal to 1. That is equal to 1. That means this is 4th A group. This is 5th A group. This is 6th A group. This is 7th A group. Okay, right. So you observing carefully here, number of valence electrons are equal to the group number. So carbon belongs to the 4th A group. So it contains 4 valence electrons. 4 valence electrons. So 8 minus 4, that is equal to 4. Nitrogen becomes 5th A group. So it contains 5 valence electrons. That valence is 8 minus 5, that is equal to 3. Oxygen becomes 6th A group. So it contains 6 valence electrons. And fluorine becomes 7th A group element. It contains 7 valence electrons. That means number of valence electrons, that is equal to its group number. Then group number ఎంతైతే ఉంటుందో వాటిలో కూడా అన్ని valence electrons అనేటివి ఉంటాయి. So valency is equal to what I am saying here, 8 minus number of valence electrons. Or దీన్ని ఎట్లా ఇండికేట్ చేయొచ్చు అంటే 8 minus group number. 8 minus group number. Okay, this is also correct one. 8 minus group number. So group number అని ఎందుకు చెప్పాము ఇక్కడ? Number of valence electrons that must be equal to the group number. Like this. Okay, valency of non-metals. That means valency is equal to 8 minus number of valence electrons or 8 minus group number. So these are all examples. Okay, note చేసుకున్నాం ఇవి. Okay, next one. Okay, group number and general electronic configuration Okay, Lewis symbol. Lewis symbol already it is completed in Quetzal-Lewis theory in chemical bonding chapter, and for the final one is valency. Right. So group number. First A group, its electronic configuration is NS1. Okay, Lewis symbols means these are represented the number of valence electrons around the central atom, around the atom or element. So X ankondi. So there is only one valence electron. So you kept the only one dot upon the X. Right. So valency also one. Valency also one. Metals. Okay, valency for metals. Valency is equal to number of valence electrons. So here only one valence electron. So you kept one dot on the X. So valency is one. So you take second A group. General configuration NS2. Okay, you keep two dots upon the X. So valency is 2. Valency is 2. So next third A group. NS2, NP1. 3 dots put on the X. So valency is 3. Next 4th group. NS2, NP2. There are 4 dots around the element. So valency is 4. Kachandi, first A to 4th A, valence is equal to group number. Group number. First A to 4th A, valence is equal to group number. That means first A, first 1. Second A means 2. Third A, 3. Fourth A, 4. First A to 4th A, valence is equal to group number. Next one, 5th A. Electron configuration, NS2, NP3. Then here 5 valence electrons around the atom X. Okay. From the 50A to 80A, valence is equal to 8 minus group number. 8 minus group number. Here group number means 5. 8 minus 5, 3. 8 minus 5, 3. Next, 60A. 60A. That is NS2, NP4. Here 6 valence electrons are present. 8 minus 6, 2. That means 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Next, 7th A. Electronic configuration NS2, NP5. There are 7 valence electrons. So that is valency 1. 8 minus 7, that is equal to 1. Next, last one, 8A. NS2, NP6. NS2, NP6. 8 valence electrons. Here, 0. 8 minus 8, 0. So, this is the group number, general electronic configuration. So, on the first A, NS1, only one valence electron. So, it will be one dot upon the X. So, valence is 1. So, generally, first A to 4th A, valence is equal to its group number. Up to, that means 50A to 80A, valence is equal to 8 minus group number. Okay, right. Okay, one more test for me. Okay, concerning general electronic configuration, that means valence shell electronic configuration, this is like this. Generally, number of valence electrons that is equal to group number. Group number enteite untundo, valence electrons kuda anne untai. Identi first A group. First A group. So NS1, that means only one valence electron. Kabatti oka dot matram pettam, dani valency 1. Second A means that is group number is 2. So NS2. That means 2 electrons present in the valence shell. That means 2 valence electrons are present. So here 2 dots, we keep 2 dots upon here X. So valency is 2. Next, coming to the third A. Third A means 3. So Ns2 Np1. Ns2 Np1. That means 2 plus 1, 3 electrons present in the valence cell. That means there are 3 valence electrons are present. So 3 valence electrons ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి 3 dots పెట్టాం. దాని valency 3. Next, fourth A. Ns2 Np2. So Ns2 Np2 means 4. 4 అంటే 4 కదా. So it contains 4 valence electrons. So here 4 dots, we keep 4 dots around the element. So valency is 4. That means from first A to fourth A, valency is equal to group number. Next, fifth A. Here Ns2 Np3. There are 5 valence electrons are present. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 electrons. You keep the 5 dots around the element. So here 50A to 8A, what is the formula? 8 minus group number. So its group number is 5. 8 minus 5, that is equal to 3. 8 minus 5, that is equal to 3. Next, 60A. So that is group number 6. Ns2 Np4. Ns2 Np4. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 valence electrons are present. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 electrons are 6 electrons. You keep 6 electrons around the halogen. Sorry, around the element. Right. So 8 minus 6, that is equal to 2. Next, 70A. Ns2 Np5. There are 7 valence electrons are present. So 7 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 dots. 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. 1. So 8A group, Ns2 Np6. There are 8 electrons present in the valence cell. This is octet configuration. Octet configuration. Okay. So 8 dots. You keep 8 dots around the element. So 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. That means valency of 8A group is equal to 0. Okay. So these 8A group are also called as zero group elements or noble gases or inert gases also. Okay. The table needs to be పెట్టుకోండి. It is the important one. Okay. Tomorrow topics, remaining topics tomorrow class discuss చేద్దాం.